If you've been told to watch your potassium levels and you're wondering, what can I actually eat? Especially with kidney issues, you're not alone. Dealing with kidney issues and keeping your potassium in the safe zone can feel like a struggle. Is it too much or too little? It all matters. So, how do you manage it? You might need to keep track of how much potassium you're getting throughout the day. Most kidney-friendly diets aim to keep potassium between 2,000 and 3,000 milligrams a day, but your doctor might recommend a different target depending on your situation. That's why today, we're breaking down 10 low-potassium foods that are perfect for your next grocery run. Not all at once, of course, unless you're really hungry. Before we get into it, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Now, let's jump into the list. 10. Chia seeds. With benefits like lowering cholesterol, keeping you satiated, and even preventing blood sugar spikes, chia seeds definitely deserve a spot in your pantry. Let's take a closer look. Chia seeds have minerals that kidney patients should be cautious about, but in small, manageable amounts. In just 1 ounce, which is about 2 tablespoons, you're looking at 115 milligrams of potassium, 244 milligrams of phosphorus, 179 milligrams of calcium, and 95 milligrams of magnesium. The good news is that most people don't consume more than a couple of tablespoons a day, so these amounts tend to stay within safe limits for kidney patients. Chia seeds are also loaded with antioxidants like phytosterols, tocopherols, carotenoids, and polyphenols. These antioxidants are your body's defense against free radicals that can lead to cell damage and diseases. By fighting off oxidative stress, chia seeds help protect against kidney inflammation, heart disease, diabetes, and even some cancers. The best part of these seeds is that, unlike other seeds, you don't need to grind chia seeds to get their benefits. They're super easy to digest. A popular way to enjoy chia seeds is by making chia pudding, which is simply chia seeds soaked in liquid until they form a gel-like consistency. This turns into a delicious, healthy treat that's packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. But if pudding isn't your thing, don't worry. There are plenty of other ways to add chia seeds to your diet. Sprinkle them into your oatmeal or cereal, blend them into smoothies, mix them into yogurt, or even stir them into your pancake batter. 9. Apples. Apples are an absolute win when it comes to a kidney-friendly diet. This is because they're low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium, making them perfect if you're trying to keep those minerals in check. While they might not be the most vitamin-packed fruit, apples more than make up for it with their fiber and antioxidants. That fiber, especially the soluble kind called pectin, is great for your digestion and can even help lower cholesterol. Before we move along to the next food, here's a bonus. Apples can even help with weight loss. Thanks to their fiber, they keep you feeling full and satisfied longer, so you're less likely to snack on unhealthy options. 8. Cucumbers. Here's a quick did you know for you. Do you know that cucumbers, often mistaken for a vegetable, are actually fruits? Bet you didn't know that. Cucumbers are full of water and packed with soluble fiber, which makes them perfect for staying hydrated and even helping with weight loss. But today, we're focusing on why cucumbers are great for your kidneys. They're low in potassium, which means they're a safe, refreshing snack for anyone trying to keep their potassium levels in check. A study reviewed how eating cucumbers affects things like creatinine, urea, uric acid, and blood sugar in healthy students. The results showed that cucumbers can help lower blood sugar levels without putting any stress on the kidneys. This makes them not only kidney-friendly but also an option for preventing or managing diabetes. So, if you're looking for a crunchy, hydrating snack that's gentle on your kidneys and helps keep your blood sugar in check, cucumbers are a fantastic choice. 7. Macadamia nuts. Most nuts are a no-go if you're following a kidney-friendly diet because they're high in phosphorus. But macadamia nuts are an exception. They're lower in potassium and phosphorus compared to other nuts, making them a much better option for those with kidney concerns. They're not just healthy, they're tasty as well. Macadamias are known for their unique, delicate flavor, rich, creamy color, and irresistible crunch. On top of that, they contain calcium, healthy fats, folate, magnesium, copper, iron, and manganese. So, not only are macadamia kidney-friendly, but they also give you a nice dose of essential nutrients. 6. White rice. If you're in the early stages of chronic kidney disease, You might not have to worry too much about mineral balance just yet, and you can pretty much enjoy all types of rice. But if you're trying to limit your phosphorus and potassium intake, white rice is a better option. Why? Well, brown rice, though healthy in many ways, is higher in these minerals. For example, a cup of cooked brown rice has 149 milligrams of phosphorus and 95 milligrams of potassium. Compare that to white rice, which has only 69 milligrams of phosphorus and 54 milligrams of potassium per cup. So, while brown rice has its benefits, white or wild rice is the better choice for anyone managing their phosphorus and potassium levels. It's a simple swap that can make a big difference if you're following a kidney-friendly diet. 5. Basil. We all know that you can easily slip basil into your everyday dishes. This spice adds flavor to your meals without loading up on potassium or phosphorus, which makes it perfect for a kidney-friendly diet. The secret behind basil's properties lies in its rich phytocompounds, like phenolic compounds, and essential oils like estragol, linalool, and eugenol. These compounds give basil its powerful effects, like lowering blood sugar, fighting inflammation, acting as antioxidants, and even protecting the liver. A study found that basil could help protect the kidneys from damage caused by diabetes, a condition that can lead to nephropathy. Basil has been linked to lowering the risk of diabetes, cancers, and other chronic conditions. 4. Green peas. If you're watching your phosphorus and potassium levels, you might be skeptical of legumes. But don't worry, green peas are a great choice. They have much lower levels of both minerals compared to other legumes. But green peas are not just easy on your mineral intake. They also contain nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants. In addition, they contain plant-based protein, which can be good for CKD patients over animal-based protein. They can also help lower your risk of various diseases. So peas, eat your greens. 3. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable, and with the right preparation, it can be transformed into so many kidney-friendly alternatives. If you're craving rice, cauliflower's got you covered. Some take it in place of mashed potatoes, and it can also stand in for pizza crust, all while keeping your potassium and phosphorus levels in check. What makes cauliflower such a good choice? It contains essential nutrients and still manages to stay low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus. In addition, it's full of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation, which is important when you're dealing with kidney disease. Here's a tip. If you're looking for a delicious, low-potassium side dish, try swapping those mashed potatoes for mashed cauliflower. It's creamier, comforting, and much friendlier to your kidneys. 2. Blueberries. With less than 120 milligrams of potassium per cup, blueberries are super kidney-friendly, and you can enjoy them without worrying about your kidney function. A study found that blueberries can help protect your kidneys, especially when it comes to metabolic syndrome, METS. They do this by reducing inflammation, kind of like putting out a fire before it spreads. How do they do this? Blueberries block a protein receptor called TLR4, a receptor that plays a big role in inflammation and, in turn, slows down certain processes that lead to kidney damage, like phosphorylation. In other words, blueberries may offer more than just antioxidant benefits. They could safeguard your kidneys from damage. 1. Onions. Cutting down on salt can feel like a challenge, but onions are here to save the day. Not only are they low in potassium, but they also add flavor to kidney-friendly meals without any sodium. You can sauté onions with garlic, olive oil, and your favorite herbs. It's an easy way to boost flavor without compromising your health. Onions aren't just about taste, though. They're also packed with vitamins C and B. They contain prebiotic fibers that help keep your gut in tip-top shape. Whether you like them raw in salads and sandwiches or cooked up as a caramelized topping, onions bring that savory, delicious taste without worrying about too much potassium. Before you go, we have a bonus tip for you. If you're eyeing some high-potassium vegetables but worried about your potassium levels, here's a trick. Try leaching them. This simple method helps reduce the potassium content so you can enjoy your favorites in moderation. Here's how it works. Peel and pop the veggies into cold water to keep them fresh. Slice them thin, about 1/8 inch, and rinse under warm water. Soak them for at least 2 hours in warm, unsalted water. Use 10 cups of water for every cup of veggies. If you're soaking them longer, change the water every 4 hours. Rinse again, Then cook them with 5 cups of water for every cup of vegetables. But leaching won't remove all the potassium, so talk to your dietitian to see how much you can enjoy. Don't forget, skip the liquid from canned veggies, fruits, or cooked meat to avoid extra potassium in your meals. Now, you've got a bunch of low-potassium foods to spice up your kidney-friendly meals without sacrificing flavor. Remember, eating for your health doesn't have to be bland. You can still enjoy delicious, nutritious meals. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more health hacks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.